Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I welcome my returning subscribers and new subscribers. You're welcome. So today I'll be showing you how to make Zobo without flavor, sugar, or any artificial sweetening agents. I'll be using dates to sweeten this Zobo. It's going to be a fruity Zobo, and here are the ingredients. So I have pineapple, watermelon, cucumber, I have the zobo leaves, I have dates, cinnamon, I have cloves, black pepper. So I'm rinsing the dates now. I'm going to rinse it thoroughly. I added a little salt and water to rinse it, because we don't know how much dirt have penetrated in the market. So I'll be rinsing it like 2-3 times to make sure I've gotten rid of all the dirt. Can you see the dirty water? So I'll do this like 3 times, then I'll use clean water again because I'm going to blend it. So I'll leave it to soak to make it softer. I'll set it aside and soak it for about 3 to 4 hours. And then I'll go on to prep the other ingredients. So next I have my fruits. I'm going to clean the body of the fruit, the peel. I'm going to clean it thoroughly with water and some white vinegar. So you clean it thoroughly because we're going to boil it with the zobo. So this is cloves and black pepper. This is the cinnamon. I'm just rinsing with hot water, to remove dirt and germs. So I'm going to pound the black pepper now because I'll be blending it with the dates. So back to my dates, it's soft now. I'm going to remove the seed from inside because I won't be blending the seed with it. So here is it. I'm done removing all the seeds. So I'm transferring into my blender. I'm going to blend the dates with the water I used to soak it. This is me putting the black pepper for spice. I had added some ginger as well, and then I'll go ahead to blend. So I'm done blending it. Now I'm going to juice the fruits. I've peeled the cucumber, the pineapple, and the watermelon. So I'll make the juice and I'm going to set them aside. These fruits together with the dates will add sweetness into the zobo. So this is me juicing the fruits one after the other to bring out the juice. So I'll be adding these peels and the shaft from the fruits to the zobo leaves while boiling. That's the juice over there. And let's go ahead to start with the zobo. So now I'm going to rinse my zobo. I'll start by adding some salt because I would want the sand and the stones to to settle down the bowl. So I'm adding water now. I'm going to rinse it thoroughly. I'll rinse it for like 2 or 3 times. I'll be fast with it so I won't lose too much of the color. I don't want to lose all or almost all of the color. So I'm done rinsing and I've transferred into 2 pots because I bought 1 paint full of zobo leaves. Now I'm adding cinnamon sticks to the 2 pots and also cloves. I'm also going to add the pineapple peel and the blended dates and pepper and ginger into it. This is a shaft of the fruit. I didn't remember to make a video when I was adding the blended dates. So I added everything and I covered and allowed to boil for some time. So after it has done boiling, this is it. So I'll remove the zobo leaves and the fruit shaft and whatever it is that is there out of the juice to make it smooth. So I'm going to remove it, and after removing that I added the fruit juice into it and allowed to cook for like 5 minutes. So it's done already. and this is it. I also didn't make a video when I was adding the fruit juice, but it's already in it now. So I left it in the pot and allow it to cool for a while before transferring into another bowl. So it's cool now, and I'll be pouring in my bottles. I got about 40 bottles from these. If you've watched up to this point, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. And if you need costing on this to start a business, drop a comment. I'll reply you. See you in my next video. Bye.